In this video, I will share 3 simple tricks to learn chemistry like a topper. Comment below your favorite technique. Let's get going. Chemistry is a subject that requires you to visualize your logic. You won't be able to do that with any random video or textbook. You require a lot more, and that is where you require your study sessions. And that is why designing your study session becomes important. How do you do that? Schedule this study session when your brain is the most active. Then take a concept. Let's just say we are trying to study analytical chemistry. Let's get answers to 2 questions: why and how. Why are these reactions important? How are these reactions happening? How are these reactions important? These questions become your guidelines to studying that particular concept. At the end of the day, your understanding of your concept should answer these questions. Now make use of your 5 senses. What is the color of the precipitate when I add this compound? What is the color of the mixture when I add this different compound? But if I smell rotten eggs, what compound did I synthesize? Use your senses to make these connections. Don't just learn a concept, experience it and embrace it. Use your lab sessions, online videos as well as homemade experiments to actually use your 5 senses to learn that particular concept. Now that you've learned the concept, it's time to test it out. This is where you use AI. Put in a prompt like this and generate your responses. These questions are aimed at improving your understanding of these concepts. Apart from this, analyze your concept and your reference material in depth. Create as many questions as you can from these concepts and your reference material and answer them. That will help you remember your concept much better. So there you have it. This is how you can study chemistry using my 3-step simple model. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for future videos like this. Thank you and happy learning.